Adanne. Adanaya. Oh, yo. How is the education? I did my friend's house. I went to see my friend into his house. Where are you now? Hey! Oh, you're into your lecturer. Hey! Lecturer gonna go. Your lecturer is move well or what? I am proud of you. Oh, I am proud of you, Mom.
You be mumu.
Hey! You don't have problem. You see that money where you ask for me, where you say make I give you 10,000, I go give you 20,000. Anything where you go ask of me for me to do to you, to make you to remain in class and learn your social study very well, so that anytime you come out, can't do what you go take. America. You got America. Send my father to come. America now. I do it with all pleasures. Oh, yo. Look well under your lecturer. Oh, ya ulezia akwụkwọ ganya. Chineke goziere m nwa m. Hey, nwa yiri nne. Na my daughter. This is my daughter. I know they use and play. My daughter will be say all the children go come out to go to school. They go come out to go. They look man. Look man. One man. Look man. Okay, look man. She go there for her. As I call her now, she says she did into her lecturer. Tell one more she can a lecturer. Oh lecturer, we are all oh lecturer, oh can you go organize who? Oh my God.
You are really trying. You are trying, In fact, this thing, because of this thing you said, it required some knocking bottles.
You think say why?
Yes.
Knocking bottles.
We can never cut a couple too.
This knocking bottles is to appreciate your good work where your child is. It's very, very good because it's not easy to lace children, especially female children. Very, very tough to lace them.
Lace them all. When you talk to me, I don't hear. Make I hear one little arrow from your mouth. I don't care when arrow ni le magno no text for you one side. Bure elo te bala go Christmas. Le. Eji kure pogo. Uncle la.
It doesn't really matter. The most important thing is I go to bank all the time.
You go now win a lot.
With the money you take my car.
It's all right.
It's all right too.
It's all right.
You see, this is my pinopy. My PP. My PP is calling me.
The business tycoon.
It's not my business tycoon. It's really PP that is making me happy. Hello? How are you? This is why you're calling me. Remember, I tell you that I have a visitor. A friend, they come to check up on me. What is the problem? You want to lie to me again? You've been lying to me since morning. You've been lying to me. Hey, guy, what you Ukum is fragile. So you don't blink it. They go and blink wheelchair for me. See, my friend that come is still here. So what will happen is, I'm coming. Just stay there. Don't bother yourself. I'm coming. Yeah? You really want to pay me? You see what you did to me last night. I will not forgive you. In fact, if I see your village people, I'm going to Nalaheto. Yes, my friend is saying, and it's true. It's true. You have measured me, I will forgive you. It's all right. Let him go so that I'll continue from where I stop. This time around, I'm going to win you. I will lie you like I never lied you before. Don't worry. Pee, don't come down, no. Don't come down. Just stay there. Don't come down. Oh, it's all right. I know you want to come down. Don't worry. I'm coming. Eh? Hey! My friend.
Your wife come back.
Which wife? I'm not married now.
It is scope on my mind.
I'm not married yet.
It's a scope on my mind.
I'm still like Malolin. You see, this girl, I tell you, this girl that is up. She's a liar.
Continue. Oh, ladder. Now I look. The whole Therefor for na village you take bring kwege. You know,
it does not matter. What matter is the money that comes from the bank. Maybe you insist to stay calm down. I tell you to just stay that place inside the blanket. I know you want to lie again. You have finished me. Yeah? My friend, this is the lighter that I'm telling you, my sweet lighter. You see this girl, I'm telling you. You need to see the way she lied to me. This girl can lie. She can lie from morning till night. What is the plan?
So, now my daughter. My idea and the David says she dey on top of you, she lied her, both of you, they lied on them. Adam, why?
Ó já mi lára jẹ.
So, Adam, you are lecturer who boy from me. Oh, you are lecturer.
Papa, you do know more lecture when we different types of lecture. Man, when we home gram he's teaching me something upstairs.
No, let me know what this man go fit it to you. If not, get it to. Oh, no, God, I'm gonna funaro restaurant. I'm gonna tribute here. But you should tell you where they
I make a microbiology.
He gave a microwave biology. Actually, I can't tell my gave a social study here and keep on your shit. I can't tell that the man. He gave a microwave biology. He gave a microwave biology. He gave a microwave biology. Someone can flesh and blood. One more get flesh and blood. I don't know. I get flesh, get blood. I'm someone kids never sugar sweet. Hey!
Chief Imo, let me tell you the truth. You see, I am not blaming you. It is not your fault. Is it not the same girl that you are placing choweling places here? You've been choweling this girl places, that you give her whatever she wants. You see, the problem is training female children. It's very, very difficult. It requires some players from God. See, a lot of parents are doing all these things. They give them whatever they want to. But these girls, they will leave that thing their parents give them, and still go outside and be looking for what we don't know. This is longer throat that is causing it.
What the longer throat? We need this from what cabo. Gawa katangwa. Happen that wapu. The same thing don't happen.
You see? You see? And some of the things they see in social media. You know, when you see somebody, you want to be like Jay-Z and Ale Kelly. And then you see, you start practicing like you want to be like a Beyonce. You see, that is the problem.
Beyonce,
you know this your daughter was... I didn't know that this girl is your daughter. And then she was demanding some things from me that the father is very, very sick. Do you know that I give this your daughter here 200,000? This girl telling me that the father is having problem in his Tanta. That is what she told me. She said that my daddy is having problem in Tanta, you know, and that in Tanta does not rise up. It doesn't come up. It doesn't place the Almighty. And I felt very bad. And Ngoki Bem is in Tanta is not functioning. And you know, when a man's in Tanta is not functioning, it's as good as obituary announcement.
Wait to.
I gave her 200,000.
Wait to. Tanta came.
He said your Tanta is not functioning.
Nekuli ball up there. Even when Tantam Nekuli, even when they no collab. Tantam Gawon Honey on you te ya la dia kalaliga. Tanta ball up for a nekuli woga kadika possible and Tantamada Aron.
Things say they wise.
Tantam Nega, you like a friend with him not to theater. Costing on that, I'll give the 200,000. You would have one, and he wants 200,000. You better want to do that. No wonder. You look what you phone, look at you phone, look here, Jack. Not someone maybe this out there. Yes, more service on him and they come name. Such service on name. You go penny out for them not to obtain. You got this small money I give to you. On what is a better service? I mean, who iPhone 84 to be iPhone 3 go be iPhone this, iPhone that. What more they want money with the nuts? Who can name so take a little, take it. Hey,
no, it's not Uncle Lala. I'm surprised that you said that you're on Tanta lies like La Liga.
Even the guy named Coco, one time, Lily Hash, why is it China for Togo, but come on, like it has actually a criminal.
It has landed.
And I want to come up to Wait,